How to send snap for camera roll as normal snap. There are various ways to send a snap for a camera roll as a normal snap, so watch this video till the end to find out. Method 1. Using a sticker. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app and go to the Memories section. Tap on the Camera Roll tab and select the picture you want to use as a sticker. Step 2. Tap on the pen tool in the bottom left corner to edit the picture and turn it into a sticker. Step 3. Select the scissor tool and draw around the edge of the picture to create a sticker from it. The sticker will automatically be saved into your sticker library. Step 4. Exit the Memories section and take a snap as you would normally. Step 5. Tap on the sticker's icon, which looks like a folded piece of paper, and select the scissor icon at the top to access your saved stickers. Step 6. Select the sticker you just created and adjust the size and placement on the screen by dragging it with 2 fingers. Step 7. Send the snap to your friends as you would a normal snap. Method 2. Using filters. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app. Step 2. In the search bar, type camera roll and select any of these search results for filters. Step 3. Choose a filter, then tap the big camera button to take a photo. Step 4. Your camera roll gallery will appear horizontally. Select the photo you want to share. Step 5. Send the camera roll photo as a snap. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.